Hi, this is Helal. In this video, we will learn about the concept of average and solve some of the numericals that are asked in the various competitive exams. So first of all, we see what is average. Now, average refers to a middle or central uh, representation of a data. That means average is, we can write average is a number that is typical representation of group of numbers group of numbers or data set. So it is actually a number which represents a group of numbers. That is actually the formula for calculating average is that average is equal to sum of the observations divided by number of observations, or we can write it as total of data divided by number of data. Now here we can see the relation. Then total of data is equal to total of data is equal to we multiply these two, so this will be equal to average times number of data. Sorry, here we multiply these number of data, that is number of data. Now what does this mean? Actually it is a very easy concept. Average is let us say I take an example. If we have numbers 2, 3 and 5, so we have to find the average of these numbers. Now what will we do? Average is equal to sum of the observations. We have to add these observations. We have 3 observations, 1, 2 and 3. We add these observations, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5 divided by number of observations. We have 1, 2 and 3 observations. So our average is, it is very easy concept, but when used in numericals, it becomes somewhat interesting also. So here our average will be 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 5 is 10 divided by 3, that is 10 over 3, which is equal to 3.33. So average of these two numbers is 3.33. Now let us take some numericals and let us solve them. We have a numerical that is the average age of 30 boys of a class is 14 years. When the age of the class teacher is included, the average becomes 15 years. What is the average of class teacher? We have to find the average of the class teacher. First, there is given that the average of the 30 boys is 14 years. Then we add the age of class teacher and average becomes 15. We have to find the age of class teacher. Now here first of all we can see the total ages of 30 boys. We calculate total ages of 30 boys, which is equal to average into number of boys, that is equal to average is 14 and number of boys is 30. So this will give us, this is average, this is here average times number of boys. Here number of boys, because we know that uh, average is equal to average is equal to total of data divided by number of data. Therefore total data, here we have total ages, therefore total of data is equal to average times number of data, that is average times number of data. So we use that relation here. So this comes out to be 14 into 30, which is equal to, this is 0, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 4, those, so that is 420 years. After that we calculate the total ages when teacher is included. So this was the total of the 30 boys. Now we calculate the total ages when teacher is included. Teacher is included. This is equal to, now total ages when teacher is included will be equal to 15 times 31. Here it was 30, we included teacher, it becomes 31 times the new average. This is the new average which comes out to be, so we calculate here, this is 15 times 31, this is 1 5s are 1 1s are 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, this is 5 6 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, there here, sorry, it is 4, so this comes out to be 465. 465 is new average. Therefore age of teacher is equal to age of teacher is equal to the total ages included the teacher minus the total ages of 30 boys will give us the age of the teacher, that is equal to 465 minus 420. So this comes out to be 5 minus 0 is 5 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So the age of the teacher will be 45 years. Age of teacher is 45 years. Coming to the next question, the average weight of 4 men is increased by 3 kg when one of them who weighs 120 kg is replaced by another man. What is the weight of new man? So here we are given the average weight of 4 men is increased by 3 kg. That is when a man comes whose weight is 120 kg is replaced by another man. We have to find the weight of the new man. So we will see first of all average. If average increases by 3 kg, that is if average increases by 3 kg, then sum of the weights increases by, then sum of weights increases by, that is 3 into 4 is equal to 12 kgs. That is if the average increases by 3, since we have 4 men, if average increases by 3, then the sum of the weight increases by 3 kg times 4, that is 12. So this is the new weight. Now here we can see this increase in weight is due to the extra weight included, which is due to the inclusion of the new person. So this increased weight is due to the extra weight included due to the inclusion of the new person. So I will write here this increase in weight is due to due to the extra weight of the extra weight included by the replacement, that is due to the inclusion of new person. Therefore weight of new person will be weight of new person is simply that is equal to 120. That was the 120 that was the man who was replaced, plus this new extra weight, that is 12. So then weight of new person will be 132 kg. Because first of all, if we can observe, the question says the average weight of 4 men increases by 3 kgs. So we take the extra weight which is due to the inclusion of a new person after replacing the original person. So this will be equal to 3 times 4, which is 12, is the extra. This is the sum of the weight which increases. Now this increase in weight is due to the extra weight included due to the inclusion of new person, due to the inclusion of new person. Therefore weight of new person is simply the man who was replaced plus the increased weight, that was 12. So that will be equal to 132. Coming to the next question, the average marks obtained by 120 candidates in an exam is 35. If the average marks of passed candidates is 39 and that of failed candidates is 15, what is the number of candidates who passed the exam? We have to find the number of candidates who have passed the exam. So first of all, here we let us assume, let x be the number of passed candidates. We assume the number of candidates who passed the exam be x. Okay, therefore number of failed candidates candidates is equal to, if total candidates is 120, I will write total is 120, passed is x, failed will be equal to 120 minus x. This is simple relation because total is 120. The passed plus fail is equal to 120. If passed is x, then failed is equal to 120 minus x. So 120 minus x is the number of failed candidates. Now after that we will find the total marks. Total marks will be simply the number of failed candidates times their average plus number of passed candidates and their average. So total marks is equal to number of passed candidates into average and their average, that is average. Here average is 39, sorry, it is here 35 times x. that is average times number of passed students plus the average of the candidates who failed, that is 15, times the number of failed students. Failed students is equal to 120 minus x, that is 120 minus x. So this is 35x plus 15 into 120, that is 15 times 120 is equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, that is 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, that is 0, 8 1, that is equal to 1800 minus 15x. But total marks is equal to, total marks is also equal to, we have 120 candidates times their average, that is equal to 35 times 120 candidates, that is a number of candidates into average will give us the total marks. So this is equal to, here we do the multiplication, 35 times 120, that is equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, which is 7. Here 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, this is 0, 7 5, that is 2, this comes out, and this 0. So this is equal to 4200. This is also total marks, this is also total marks, then these two are equal. So this equation and this identity, these two are equal. That means 35x plus 1800 minus 15x is equal to 4200, which is equal to, now 35 minus 15 is equal to 24x. We transpose this 1800, it will become negative. So this is equal to 4200 minus 1800. This comes out to be 24x is equal to, now 42 minus 18 is equal to, now 12 minus 8 is 4. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is equal to 2400, or x is equal to 2400 divided by x, which comes out to be, sorry, it is here 24. So 24 ones are and 0 0. So the number of passed candidates is 100. Now I am just using these steps. If you get the idea how to calculate, it will not need these very steps. I am just making it clear to you how to solve. Coming to the another question, the average of 11 results is 15. If the average of first 6 results is 49 and that of last 6 is 52, find the 6th result. We have the 6th result, 11 results. Actually, if we have 11 results, let us say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It says the average of 11, sorry, if the average of first 6 results is 49, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here the average of these is 49, and the average of the last 6, that is starting from 11, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is 52. We have to find the 6th result. We don't have to find the average, we have to find the 6th result. What was the 6th observation? Now what will we do? We will do the total of 11 results. First, total of 11 results is equal to, simply that is equal to average times the number of results, that is equal to 50 into 11, which is equal to 550. Now total of first 6th results is equal to, that is here 49 into 6, so I will write 49 into 6. This comes out to be 6 9s are 50, 4 6 4s are 24, and 5 is equal to 29. First we find this average, total of these. Now total of last six results is equal to average into number of items. So total number is equal to here 6 times its average will give us the total of last 6 results. That is 6 into here the average is given as 52. So this comes out to be 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 13, 6 5s are 30, 31, and that is equal to 312. Now here we can see this sixth result is common. This is common, therefore since sixth result is common, therefore sixth result is equal to the addition of these two, total of 6 results plus total of 6 results of first 6 and last 6, which is 294 plus 312 minus the total of 11 results, which is 550. This will give us the sixth result. So here it is 4 plus 2 is 6, 9 plus 1 is 10, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and carry is equal to 6 minus 550, which comes out to be 6 minus 0 is 6, and here we have 10 minus 5 is 5, so we get 56. Therefore the sixth observation was 56. How did we calculate the sixth result? Since the sixth was common, therefore sixth result is equal to the addition of the 12 results minus the addition of 11 results, because 6 was common here. Since here this sixth result was, first we calculated the total of first 6, then the last 6. Since it was common, to find the sixth value we add the first total and second total, we add these two, and from this we subtract the total of 11 results, that is 550, which comes out to be 56. Coming to the next question, a cricketer has completed 10 innings and his average is 21.5 runs. How many runs must he make in his next innings so as to raise the average to 24? That is, a cricketer has completed its 10 innings and its average is 21.5. Therefore, total of 10, we find the total of 10 innings, that will be equal to number of innings times average. Number of innings is 10 times average is 21.5. This is equal to 215. Now let us suppose he needs X runs to score in the 11th inning. So let he needs to score X runs in 11th inning. To get an average of that is 24. Therefore average in 11 innings is equal to, since he has played the 10 innings, now average in the 11 innings will be equal to the average in total of the 10 innings, that is 215, plus the total of the 11th inning divided by the number of innings, that is equal to 11, which is equal to which will give us the average, which gives us the average 24. That is average in 11 innings is equal to the total of 12 innings, the total of 10 innings first, plus the total of 11th inning divided by the number of innings. Number of innings is obviously 11, which should be equal to 24. Now solving this identity, this equation, so 215 plus x is equal to 24 into 11, which is equal to 24 4 6 2, that is equal to 215 plus x is equal to 264, or x is equal to 264 minus 215, which comes out to be 4 minus 5 is equal to 9, and here 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So he has to score 49 runs in the 11th inning to get an average of 24. Now the question is, a man walks first 8 kilometers at an average speed of 2 kilometers per hour and another 8 kilometers at an average of 3 kilometers per hour. We have to find the average speed. We have to find the average speed of whole journey. Now the average speed will be here equal to, now average speed will be equal to, it is a formula which we will use here. If a man covers certain distance at an average speed of x kilometers and he covers the equal distance which he first covered at an average of y kilometers per hour, then the average speed will be equal to 2 times x times y divided by x plus y. Here the first 8 kilometers were covered at a speed of 2 kilometers per hour and another 8 kilometers were covered at an average of 3 kilometers per hour. Then average speed will be equal to 2 into this 2, this very 2, 2 into this 3, here it is y, divided by 2 plus 3, here it is x plus y. So this is 2 to the 4 is 12 divided by 5, which comes out to be kilometers per hour, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, so 2 by 5 kilometer, that is 2 and 2 by 5 kilometers per hour will be the average speed of the whole journey.